Guess what? It's me, Ginger Dust, back for another video. This is actually the end of my working day. I just thought I'd start my video here. All you viewing this, please remember, subscribe and like. I really appreciate it. Let me just show you what we've done today, and then I can move into tomorrow and start the video properly. Join me in about 5 seconds and we'll start a new day. And just like that, a whole day has passed. Good evening, Jackie. Lovely bit of squirrel. Sitting on the wall too. Ladies. Come down here to level it. Alright.
Vaccinations can help prevent them.
Let's lace on the roads.
Done a bit so far. I'm going to do this back now.
Ask it to play Greatest Hits Radio.
We have got up to the height. We've got to fill in the middle now. So, what do you think, guys? Back of the stonework. Nice and neat for a bricklayer. Yeah.
And my greatest hit in the 70s is John Talking by the Beatles.
Set up half of families to keep the kids at home. Professional sports can resume in the UK from today with horse racing at Newcastle, the first event.
We have got up to the height. We've got to fill in the middle now. Especially on a hot day. Haven't managed to do much filming. Mainly because us gingers don't survive in this sun. I don't even know why I'm out in it now. Alright, I'm going home. I've got this amount left. So, montage ready, go. Just got the topping out ceremony to do. It's got a small little window in it, so that should be interesting. Just remember, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hope you've enjoyed this, so hit that like. I know some of you are getting bored of this stonework because you're bricklayers. I really don't know if I'm going to get a full video out of this. Maybe I'll just do it as an update video on how my stonework's going. They say it's better to post than not to post, so here's this video. It's been a weird year. I can't wait for winter. Nor can my skin.